Hello coffeeholics, welcome back. I simply cannot get enough of this iced brown sugar shaken espresso. So today, this is the third in my series and I'm going to show you how to make this drinks using the real espresso from an espresso machine, and also I'm going to show you how to make them using French press. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the coffee, I am going to use my washed coffee beans. It's high quality, single origin, 100% Arabica from Chiangrai. That is northern Thailand, for those that are not from Thailand. And then I'm going to use brown sugar. For the milk this time, because they will be plant-based, I'm going to make use of this brand from Milk Lab. One is coconut and the other is oat milk. For all those that are lactose intolerant or prefer to use plant-based milk, this is the video to watch. For today's recipes, I am going to use 12 ounces. This is good enough for those that are wanting to make these drinks at home. For the gadget, I am going to use a shaker. You can also use a milk frother. Check out my other video clip on how to do that. Now, for those that want to know, this is called a Boston shaker. I prefer to use this rather than a cobbler shaker. For the recipe using the French press, I'm going to use a 500 milliliter French press here. And we are going to start by brewing our French press coffee because that will take a little bit of time. I would like to get something like espresso quality type of coffee using my French press. I am going to use a higher ratio of coffee to water. I am going to use 2 scoops of extra coarse ground coffee. Now 2 scoops is about 18 to 20 grams of coffee beans. And I'm going to start by making a concentrated brew. For this coffee, I am going to use only about 100 ml of hot water. I'm going to put my extra coarse ground coffee in my French press here and then the hot water. Normally when you use French press for hot drinks, you would use about 4 minutes. That's the standard, but then what is standard these days? But for my coffee, because it's going to be iced, I'm going to brew this for at least 5 minutes or more, no more than 10 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare my espresso. I've got here my 40 grams of espresso. You'd really like to get the taste of the brown sugar here. Stir to somewhat dissolve the brown sugar. Add some ice. And we're going to shake. This is my brown sugar shaken espresso. And now we're going to assemble our drink. For this, I'm going to use coconut milk, and according to the packaging, you have to shake the packaging before you use the milk, okay? Fill your cup with ice. And to this, I am going to add about 90 ml of milk. And if you'd like to be foamy on top, then you can pour the rest of your shaken espresso on top. Iced brown sugar shaken espresso using espresso shots. And now my French press coffee is ready, so I'm not even going to push the plunger down. I'm just going to pour my coffee into this measuring cup. From my 100 ml of water and about 20 grams of ground coffee, I got about 45 ml of coffee here from the French press. And now we're going to assemble our drink. Brown sugar. Stir. Ice. And we are going to shake. For the milk, I'm going to use oat. Shake before use. That's according to the packaging. And we're going to use the same amount of milk, about 90 ml. Fill it to just about that level. And now I'm going to pour my espresso over. If you'd like it to be full, then add a little bit more of that icy shaken espresso there. I hope this ends my obsession with this drink, iced brown sugar shaken espresso. And because this is a requested video tutorial using plant-based milk, I hope that this satisfies your request. Time for the moment of truth. This is using my coconut, and let's find out how it tastes like. Wow. It says here, crafted for coffee. I am absolutely impressed. This tastes so good. You must give this a try. Sometimes it really depends on the brand of your milk, but I can say that this one is absolutely delicious. My new favorite, coconut milk with my brown sugar shaken espresso. And this one is the oat milk and French press coffee. Color is lighter than this one, but it is equally strong. Wow, this is a little bit different. It's got that taste of oat milk. Again, crafted for coffee. I'm equally impressed. Not bad. I think that you would like either one of these two types of milk. My personal preference is with coconut and espresso. The French press coffee gives you a lighter taste but still equally satisfying. Check out the other two episodes on this series, and if you still have questions, do let me know in the comment below. In the meantime, don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. If you would like to support this channel, there's no better way than to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.